Alright, friends, so here's a very small experiment which I'm doing. This is a very small vertical garden, a minuscule vertical garden which I've made from a broken air cooler, and I'm going to show you how this system works and the things which I've used to make this vertical garden. Alright, let's begin. So I'm using a gunny sack or a burlap sack or a aloo ka bora to grow these plants vertically. There's a small reservoir down here with some old aquarium water in it with some aquatic plants. And there's a DIY hand pump which I've made from some old PVC pipes. And how it works is I just simply pump it like this very slowly. It sucks up the water through this reservoir down here, from this reservoir down here, and it pumps the water in a pipe which is inside this burlap sack. There are some small holes in it, so the water drips down through those holes through this gunny sack back in this reservoir, and in between these plants take the water they need to grow. And the water which I'm using here is my old aquarium water. So this water has all the nutrients which these plants need to grow, and these plants are growing vertically, and this is a 100% soilless vertical garden which I have made. So I'm not using any soil whatsoever, 0% soil. I'm just growing these plants using some compost fertilizer and coconut husk, and these plants are growing quite beautifully. And I want to tell you about these terrestrial plants which are here. This is a royo plant. These are purple heart plant. This plant with small leaves is Calesia repens. This plant, if you can see here, this is a pothos or a money plant. This is a common taro plant. This is another type of pothos, some Calesia repens, and these are rain lilies. And if you'll see down here, I'm using some aquatic plants to grow, and these are water lettuce. This is frogbit. This is Ludwigia repens which I'm using here. And if you'll see, this is a carnivorous plant. It is known as bladderwort. I collected these from the wild. This is a carnivorous plant, but it has transformed itself into a non-carnivorous plant now. And these plants are all established now because I can see new roots growing down here. If you can see, there are some new roots. So these plants are already established or acclimated to this new environment, and they are growing quite nicely, and I'm just hoping they will continue to do so. And I hope these plants will cover all the empty spaces which you can see, and once it will be covered by these plants, it will look really, really beautiful. So it is a very simple type of a small vertical garden which I've made, and I'm hoping it will work. It will hopefully grow. All right, thanks.